Where discrimination is reported to be growing significantly, rights continue to be abused.
We're very much worried about the ever-growing number of complaints that we're having regarding discrimination at the workplace. That's why we regard it as systemic, and then would like to find solutions to this type of practice that is going on.
The number of complaints received by the CCMA has increased substantially to over 100,000 complaints annually.
We have been arbitrating some of the cases, though not much, because, with the new act, people have election whether to arbitrate or go to the labor court, especially the people who are below the threshold, the BCEA threshold. Now, the procedure is you have to file a case at the CCMA within 6 months. If it's after 6 months, you will have to file condonation application where you explain as to why you referred a matter late at the CCMA.
According to the Equality Report of the Human Rights Commission, discrimination in terms of gender, disability and sexual orientation is still prevalent besides policies aimed at promoting the achievement of equality.
Our analysis indicate that to a large extent transformation is happening at a very slow pace, that top management and senior management is still an area in which the majority of the people that sit there are white individuals, and to a less extent do we find black people.
Progress made in terms of gender equity in the workplace is unsatisfactory. Women and people with disabilities continue to face intense discrimination and unfair treatment.
People become quite sophisticated in their prejudice, and we might have seen some incidents of less sophisticated prejudice. But as we go over time with the implementation of the affirmative action, we've got to start as a commission also helping organisations in how they manage diversity and inclusion. And that is a far more complex issue than just a statistical evaluation.
The Bill of Rights grants everyone the right to equality, and Section 9 of the Constitution grants all the right not to be discriminated against. The Human Rights Commission will compile a report after the hearings and present it to Parliament.